Hey everyone, well, we're about to be making something kind of fun. I've been wanting to do this for a little while. A giant pig omelet. I've got just over 3 dozen eggs here. I've got some vegetables. We're gonna go get them all ground up and get them on the flat top and make them for the pigs. Kind of a weird omelet. We're actually gonna be putting in the entire egg, shell and all, because the shells are actually really good calcium for them. So we're gonna put them here in this blender. Gonna blend them all up. Gets the shells nice and easy, so it's easy for them to digest. Alrighty. And yeah, look at that. Alright, let's go get them on the grill. Alright, so here we go. Just gonna pour all this egg on there. Make sure it stays nice and good. For a little bit. So this is definitely one of the biggest omelets I think I've ever made. But the pigs should really like it. We're actually going to be adding a lot of healthy things to it that help the pigs out. We're going to be adding some pumpkin to it. Pumpkin is actually a natural dewormer, so it helps keep them safe. As well as we got lots of vegetables we're going to be adding as well. Getting that nice and good. Turn it down a little bit. Get the rest of this in there. Now this is my first time making an omelet quite this big. I think this will actually end up being kind of a regular thing we're going to do for the kids. Because it's pretty fun. Add some variety to their diet, keep them happy, and honestly it's really not that expensive to do. So it's a great option for us. Nicely here. Make sure we get all the eggshells in there. They kind of went to the bottom. The eggshells, like I said, are really good for the pigs. Got a lot of calcium in there, and they're not really to digesting them quite. Probably really gonna like it. Alright, that's good. Go ahead and throw some vegetables in there. We got some peppers going in. Even more peppers. Tad bit more pepper. Get that mixed in there good. We do this to supplement the feed that we normally give them. That way they get some variety. Helps keep them nice and healthy. Now it's time for some mushrooms. Get them in there. Little green beans. Start getting them cooking. So, definitely a little more vegetable than egg going on here, but that's okay. Pigs will love it all the same. All nice and cooked up. Alright, now we're going to let that cook for a little while before we feed it to the pigs. Alright, so we've added a couple things to it. We actually added some spinach and a little bit more egg. We're actually probably up to about 5 dozen eggs now. But it definitely didn't seem eggy enough, so I wanted to throw some more eggs in there. So it's pretty much done. We're going to go ahead and start putting them into some of these pans. I've got 2 of these big metal tins that we're going to put them into for my males and my females. And then I've got a smaller little dish that we're going to fill up so the general can enjoy some of this stuff too. Oh, look at all that. The pigs are going to absolutely love this. Alright, now we gotta let it cool for a few minutes before we feed it to the pigs because we don't want it to get too hot for it to burn them. So we'll let that cool off and we'll feed it to the pigs. Alright, so the pigs are all lined up. They know I've got something for them. They can kind of see it. Nice big old plate here. set it down and let them go to town on their piggy omelet. Oh, and a couple of stragglers know something's up, so they're coming. Oh, they're loving it. Absolutely loving it. Alright, you all watch them. I'm going to go grab the female pig. We're going to get the females pigs all fed here. This is a little smaller because they're a little smaller pigs. Priscilla's going to town. Ruth is there too. There's Tiny. Peaches! Come on.
Come on, Peaches.
There, Peaches is coming. She's a little slower to the thing. There she goes.
Peaches.
Well, I'll say omelet day is a success. I'm definitely probably going to have to try to do this again. So we'll let the pigs eat all this up, and then we'll go ahead and we'll take the tins away from them. That way they don't try to eat the tin. But thanks for joining us on this fun omelet making adventure. See you guys next time.